Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace a battery in this Nissan Altima key fob. You're going to need a small flat screwdriver about this size and either a 2025 or a 2023 battery, and I can show you where to check. And I've included links to everything you need in the description below. So first thing you want to do is remove this mechanical key, and you do that by pressing this latch down and pull your mechanical key out. Now you want to take your screwdriver and put it on either side here. The biggest thing is to make sure that the screwdriver is small enough to get in between these two halves here. You just kind of work it like that until you can separate it easily. And at this point, go ahead and take your screwdriver, pull the battery out, and it'll tell you right here what number you need. This one takes a 2025, but some will take the 2032. And so your new battery, positive side facing downward. And you're going to clip these back together, insert your mechanical key, and you're all set. No need to reprogram. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.